Hello, everyone. My name is Scott Aubrey. I am the owner of Aubrey Law. We are an estate planning law firm, and I'm so happy to be here with you today. And today I'm going to talk about who needs a power of attorney. But before I get started, if you have any questions about what I talk about today or any questions about estate planning in general, you can go to estateplanningmeeting.com and schedule a time to talk with me for free. Again, that website is estateplanningmeeting.com. You can go there, see my schedule, pick the time that works best for you, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have regarding estate planning. So today's topic is who needs a power of attorney? And I think when most people think of estate planning, they think of a will and really making decisions on what happens after you die. However, there's another aspect of estate planning as well that deals with while you're alive, and it provides protections for you when you cannot communicate with others. So this would be if you're in a coma, if you're incapacitated. There are documents that are part of your estate plan that will provide protections for you. The first one is called a healthcare proxy. And what a healthcare proxy does, it allows you to appoint an agent for you to make important medical decisions on your behalf if you're unable to do so. So what will happen is that if you're in the hospital and you cannot talk with your doctors and you have a healthcare proxy, then your agent will step into your shoes, talk with your doctors, and make those important medical decisions for you on your behalf. The other type of power of attorney is called a financial power of attorney or a durable power of attorney. And what that does is that operates very similar to a healthcare proxy, but instead of dealing with medical decisions, a durable power of attorney deals with financial decisions. And what that does is it allows you to name an agent that will act on your behalf, that will be able to make important financial decisions on your behalf. That could be such as paying your bills, accessing bank accounts, maybe effectuating a real estate transaction, or if you have a small business, running your small business. Really, whatever powers you provide to your agent, then they will have the ability to do that if you're unable to communicate with others and you're incapacitated or in a coma or things like that. So really, there are two parts of durable power of attorneys. One for the healthcare proxy dealing with medical decisions, financial power of attorney dealing with financial decisions. And if you don't have these two documents, what will happen is if you're incapacitated or in a coma or something like that, then someone will have to go to the court and petition the court to be named your agent. And what the court will do is they'll hear testimony from people and decide what they feel is in your best interest. And they may choose the person that you may not have chosen, but they may feel that that person is the best, or maybe they were the first ones to come forward. They had the most compelling argument. So if you want to make those decisions for yourself and make sure that you get to choose who that person is, then you need to have a healthcare proxy and a durable power of attorney. That way, that the decision is in your hands. It's not in the hands of a court or someone else. And kind of just to wrap this up is who needs this? Well, really anybody over the age of 18 should have a healthcare proxy and should have a durable power of attorney, because these are very important documents to have, in that you want to make sure that these documents are in place for if in the unfortunate situation that you need to use them. You don't want to have the court to get involved, because that can take time. It can cost money, and when you're in those situations, time is very valuable. So you want to make sure that these documents are in place and that there's no sort of delay in getting the help and protection that you need. So just to wrap up, who needs a durable power of attorney? Everybody does. And there are two types. The first type would be the healthcare proxy. The second would be the financial durable power of attorney. But these are really important estate planning documents, something that you should have. They are a foundational part of an estate plan, so that any sort of basic estate plan that you put together, they should be included in your estate plan. So that's all I have for today. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you want to hear more from me about estate planning, you can subscribe to my channel. If you know someone that could benefit from seeing my video, please share this with them. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. And again, if you want to speak with me for free, you can go to estateplanningmeeting.com, schedule a time to talk with me for free. Again, that website is estateplanningmeeting.com. Go there, see my schedule, and I'll be more than happy to help you in any way that I can. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you watching my video, and I will talk to you soon.